Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is replace the fuel pump on my John Deere E180 lawn tractor. So what you're going to need is a 8mm socket, a pair of pliers, and your new fuel filter. Again, I purchased this off Amazon. It came in a tune-up kit, so I'll install this and I'll keep the original one as a spare. Pop open your hood. So on the left side of your motor, there's your fuel pump. So you want to compare your new fuel pump to your old one, and they look identical. So you're going to have two bolts holding it on. Again, they're 8mm, and you're going to have three hoses. This one's coming from your fuel tank. This is your crank vacuum line, and the next one is going actually to your carburetor. So what you're going to want to do is loosen these off with your pliers. When you pop off these hoses, you may get a little bit of fuel dripping out. So what you're going to do first is pop off your crankcase vacuum line. And then you can pop out your bottom hose. Again, you're going to get a little bit of gas, and your top one. Kind of wiggle it back and forth and it will come off. There we go. Take out your two bolts holding the fuel pump on. Again, you're going to verify that the fuel pumps are the same. Again, they are. And this is a Mikuni. This is actually probably a better fuel pump, the original one. So it's model 027013. So we'll reinstall the new fuel pump. And we'll put our lines back on. And all the hoses are reinstalled. So we'll start the tractor. We're going to turn it over. Remember, there's no fuel in the fuel pump, so it may take a second. Now again, there was no issues with my original fuel pump. Again, it came in a tune-up kit, so I threw the new one on. Again, I just replaced these spark plugs in the last video, the fuel filter, as well as the air filter, if you want to check out those videos.